Hi, I'm John Buselink with Alpha Professional Tools, and today I'm going to discuss the option of using a 9-inch diameter blade for cutting porcelain paver tile. In front of me, I have two pieces of porcelain paver tile. This one is 2 cm, which is typical standard size for outdoor areas for like pools. And then over here we have a 3 cm thickness material, which is basically used for driveways. There's two tools in front of me, which I'm going to discuss for cutting a paver tile. This one over here is a cordless saw. It has a wood effect system to keep the dust down as you're cutting. And on this side we have a corded angle grinder. Now in order to make this angle grinder a wet cutting tool, we actually attached our 9-inch wet blade cutting kit. Now that the kit's attached to the tool's a wet use to keep the dust down. So now let's get started and I'll demonstrate how to cut the porcelain paver material. Okay, let's get started. So now I'm going to demonstrate cutting the material using our 9-inch PT cutter blade. Here we have our cordless saw. When I cut, I'm going to be doing the pull method to me. And also cutting the material, I'm going to step cut. You do not want to do a one-pass cutting. You definitely want to step cut through the material. And let me demonstrate how to do that. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate cutting the porcelain paver material using our 9-inch PT cutter blade. This time we're using the corded angle grinder with our 9-inch wet blade cutting kit attached. When I do my cutting, I'm going to do the pull method. I'm going to pull the saw towards me, and also we're going to do step cutting, make multiple steps cut through the thick material. So now let's get started.